Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlead Guide. I am Saurav Rokle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic a retrieved reformation on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Balasaheb Rokle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe our channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Who is the author of the story A Retrieved Reformation? Options are A. G. B. Shaw, B. William Sidney Porter, C. Oscar Wilde, or D. Robert Lind. Correct option is B. William Sidney Porter. Question number 2. What is the pseudonym or pen name of William Sidney Porter? Options are A. George Orwell, B. George Eliot, B. O. Henry, or D. Oscar Wilde. The correct option is C. O. Henry. Question number 3. O. Henry is a famous short story writer. Options are A. American, B. Canadian, C. British, or D. African. The correct option is A. American. Question number 4. O. Henry began his career as Options are A. A bank employee, B. An actor, B. A dramatist, or D. A story writer. The correct option is A. Bank employee. Question number 5. What was O. Henry sentenced to jail for? Options are A. Murder, B. Illegal drug distribution, C. Safe cracking, or D. Embezzlement or fraud. Correct option is D. Embezzlement or fraud. Question number 6. What is O. Henry famous for? Options are A. Ironic plot and twist ending, B. Romantic story, C. Art of characterization, or D. Setting of the story. Correct option is A. Ironic plot and twist ending. Question number 7. How many short stories had O. Henry written? Options are A. 600, B. 500, C. 800, or D. 805. Correct option is A. 600. Question number 8. Who narrates the story A Retrieved Reformation? Options are A. Ben Price, B. Unnamed third person narrator, C. O. Henry, or D. Jimmy Valentine. Correct option is B. Unnamed third person narrator. Question number 9. What is Jimmy Valentine's profession? Options are A. A bank manager, B. A safe cracker, C. A safe seller, or D. A detective. The correct option is B. A safe cracker. Question number 10. In which case Jimmy Valentine was arrested and sentenced imprisonment? Options are A. Springfield, B. Jefferson City, C. Elmore case, or D. Richmond, Indiana. Correct option is A. Springfield. Question 11. What is Jimmy Valentine's criminal number? Options are A. 6397, B. 9763, C. 3967, or D. 7693. Correct option is B. 9763. Question number 12. What made Jimmy Valentine to release earlier from the prison? Options are A. His innocent nature, B. He was a teenager, C. He bribed the jailer, or D. His good behavior. The correct option is D. His good behavior. Question number 13. Who has approved or signed or permitted Jimmy Valentine's pardon? Options are A. The warden, B. The jailer, C. Ben Price, or D. The governor. Correct option is D. The governor. Question number 14. Jimmy had served nearly months of a 4-year sentence or punishment. Options are A. 40, B. 15, C. 7, or D 10? The correct option is D 10. Question number 15. What does the warden want Jimmy to do? Or what was the advice or suggestion given by the warden to Jimmy Valentine? Options are A. Visit the jail regularly. B. Crack safes when necessary. C. Stop cracking and live straight life. Or D. Marry Annabelle. The correct option is C. Stop cracking and live straight life. Question number 16. Prison warden's dash words about Jimmy help foreshadow the surprise ending of the story. Options are A. Honest lover. B. Skilled safes cracker. C. Not a bad fellow at heart. Or D. An innocent victim. Correct option is C. Not a bad fellow at heart. Question 17. What does the term discharged compulsory guests refer to? Options are A. Brings guest in jail. B. Compulsory visits the jail. C. Release jail before the full term. Or D. Pay regular visits. The correct option is C. Release jail before the full term. Question number 18. How much amount was given to Jimmy Valentine when he was released from the jail? Options are A. $5. B. $65. C. $500. Or D. $85. Correct option is A. $5. Question number 19. Jail clerk handed Jimmy a railroad ticket and $5 bill to dash. Options are A. Purchase new tools. B. Deposit in bank. C. Refund loan. Or D. Rehabilitate. The correct option is D. Rehabilitate. Question number 20. What does Jimmy eat when he gets out of the prison? Options are A. Rice plate. B. Tandoor roti. C. Chicken handi. Or D. Broiled chicken. Correct option is D. Broiled chicken. Question 21. How much amount does Jimmy toss into the blind man's hat? Options are A. A quarter of dollar. B. A dollar. C. A euro. Or D. A pound. The correct option is A. A quarter of dollar. Question 22. How long is the train ride from the prison? Options are A. 3 hours. B. Half an hour. C. 20 minutes. Or D. 1 hour. The correct option is A. 3 hours. Question 23. Where did Jimmy Valentine meet Mike Dolan? Options are A. In the cafe. B. In the park. C. At the station. Or D. In the prison. The correct option is A. In the cafe. Question 24. Which of Jimmy Valentine's actions give us a clue to his plan for continuing to crack safes? Options are A. Goes to restaurant to eat. B. He meets his friends. C. Pick up his kit of burglar's tools. Or D. Offer arms to a blind. Correct option is C. Pick up his kit of burglar's tools. Question 25. Where does Jimmy Valentine used to put the suitcase of his special tools? Options are A. Under mattress. B. In the safe. C. In the cupboard. Or D. In a folding bed. Correct option is D. In a folding bed. Question 26. Whose collar button was found to Jimmy on the floor of his room? Options are A. Governor. B. Mike Dolan. C. Ben Price. Or D. Ralph D. Spencer. The correct option is C. Ben Price. Question 27. How much amount Jimmy Valentine spent to make a set of burglar's tools? Or how much did Jimmy's tools cost him to have made? Options are A. $200. B. $500. C. $600. Or D. $900. Correct option is D. $900. Question 28. Jimmy wears fancy clothes, eats well, and robs banks for money. The sentence indicates that Jimmy dash dash. Options are A. Wants to look smart, B. Likes to shift in new city, C. Wants to show his skill, or D. Likes to live luxurious life. Correct option is D. Likes to live luxurious life. Question 29. Why did Jimmy Valentine become a skilled safe cracker? Options are A. He wants to become famous, B. He wants to live luxurious life, C. He wants to open a shoe shop, or D. He wants to visit different jails. The correct option is B. He wants to live luxurious life. Question 30. Who is Ben Price? Options are A. A banker, B. Jimmy Valentine's friend, C. Annabelle's father, or D. A detective or police officer. Correct option is D. A detective or police officer. Question 31. Who is a disguised Ralph D. Spencer? Options are A. Ben Price, B. Mr. Adams, C. Jimmy Valentine, or D. Mike Dolan. The correct option is C. Jimmy Valentine. Question 32. Qualities like intellectual, quick, courage, and dash dash make Jimmy a professional safecracker. Options are A. Kindness, B. Bravery, C. Coyness, or D. Confidence. Correct option is D. Confidence. Question 33. Jimmy Valentine is called a dandy because he is a dash dash. Options are A. Devoted husband, B. Skilled safecracker, C. Passionate lover, or D. True friend. The correct option is B. Skilled safecracker. Question 34. Elmore, a little town, dash dash miles off the railroad down in the Blackjack country of Arkansas. Options are A. 30, B. 3, C. 100, or D. 5. Correct option is D. 5. Question 35. Where did Jimmy Valentine first meet Miss Annabelle Adams? Options are A. Street leads to Elmore Bank, B. In the park, C. In Elmore Bank, or D. In the garden. Correct option is A. Street leads to Elmore Bank. Question 36. Who gives information about Annabelle Adams to Jimmy? Options are A. Manager of the bank, B. Unnamed boy, C. Police, or D. Owner of the lodge. Correct option is B. Unnamed boy. Question number 37. Why did Jimmy ask the boy, isn't that young lady Miss Polly Simpson? Options are A. He is in search of her, B. She is his sister, C. He is doubtful, or D. Wants to know her real name. Correct option is D. Wants to know her real name. Question 38. Who is the owner of the Elmore Bank? Options are A. Miss Polly Simpson, B. Annabelle Adams, C. Ben Price, or D. Mr. Adams. Correct option is D. Mr. Adams. Question 39. At the Planters Hotel, Jimmy checks in or registers under the name dash dash. Options are A. Jimmy Valentine, B. Ralph D. Spencer, C. O. Henry, or D. Mr. Adams. Correct option is B. Ralph D. Spencer. Question number 40. What makes the clerk of the Planters Hotel to impress at Jimmy? Options are A. His clothes and manners, B. His devotion and dedication, C. His skills in safe cracking, or D. Communication skill. Correct option is A. His clothes and manners. Question 41. What does Jimmy declare at the desk of the Planters Hotel? Options are A. He wants to go foreign, B. He is in search of location for business, C. He falls in love with Annabelle, or D. He wants to crack a safe. Correct option is B. He is in search of location for business. Question 42. Why does Jimmy Valentine decide to go into or start the shoe business? Options are A. Warden advised him. B. Give up crime and live honestly. C. Afraid of Ben Price. Or D. Annabelle asked him. Correct option is B. Give up crime and live honestly. Question 43. Why did Jimmy Valentine decide to give up safe cracking? Options are A. He is afraid of Ben Price. B. His love motivates him. C. It is an insecure business. Or D. He loses confidence in his skills. Correct option is B. His love motivates him. Question 44. What makes Jimmy Valentine to change when he arrived in Elmore, Arkansas? Options are A. Falls in love. B. Becomes a rich person. C. His new business. Or D. He wants to hide his identity from police. The correct option is A. Falls in love. Question 45. When did Jimmy stop robbing safes? Options are A. After Ben Price's threat. B. After he fell in love. C. After Annabelle's advice. Or D. After Warden's advice. Correct option is B. After he fell in love. Question 46. Jimmy decides to settle in Elmore because dash dash. Options are A. It is a prosperous city. B. It is an attractive city. C. Proper city to start a new business. Or D. He falls in love with Annabelle. The correct option is D. He falls in love with Annabelle. Question 47. What work in the jail helps Jimmy Valentine to start a new business? Options are A. Making shoes. B. Packing shoes. C. Polishing shoes. Or D. Stealing shoes. Correct option is A. Making shoes. Question 48. Jimmy Valentine is compared with dash dash bird when he becomes Mr. Ralph Spencer. Options are A. Kingfisher. B. Hawk. C. Phoenix. Or D. Falcon. Correct option is C. Phoenix. Question 49. Jimmy Valentine become more and more captivated or spellbound by Annabelle's dash dash. Options are A. Bank balance. B. Property. C. Dress. Or D. Charm. Correct option is D. Charm. Question 50. Jimmy Valentine writes a letter to his old friend who lives in dash dash. Options are A. Washington DC. B. Los Angeles. C. St. Louis. Or D. San Francisco. Correct option is C. St. Louis. Question 51. Where did Jimmy want to meet his friend Billy or Pal? Options are A. On railway station. B. In the cafe. C. In the Elmore Bank. Or D. At Sullivan in Little Rock. Correct option is D. At Sullivan in Little Rock. Question 52. Jimmy wants to meet his friend Billy or Pal on dash dash night at 9 o'clock. Options are A. Wednesday. B. Monday. C. Sunday. Or D. Saturday. Correct option is A. Wednesday. Question 53. Why did Jimmy want to meet his friend Billy or Pal? Options are A. To give him marriage invitation. B. To hand over his special tools. C. To ask loan money. Or D. To book tickets for him. Correct option is B. To hand over his special tools. Question 54. In the letter to his old friend, Jimmy compares Annabelle with dash dash on earth. Options are A. A lamia. B. A witch. C. A gorgon. Or D. An angel. Correct option is D. An angel. Question 55. How many daughters does Mr. Adam has? Options are A. 3. B. 1. C. 2. Or D. 6. The correct option is C. 2. Question 56. Annabelle's married sister has 2 daughters. May is dash dash years and Agatha is 5 years old. Options are A. 3. B. 9. C. 8. Or D. 1. The correct option is B 9. Question 57. Whom did Jimmy Valentine rescue from the safe of the bank? Options are A. Agatha, B. May, C. Annabelle, or D. Mr. Adams. The correct option is A. Agatha. Question 58. Who was going to drive Jimmy over to the railroad station? Options are A. Annabelle, B. Ralph D. Spencer, C. Mr. Adams, or D. Dolph Gibson. Correct option is D. Dolph Gibson. Question 59. Jimmy Valentine is respected by the staff of the Elmore Bank because he is a dash dash. Options are A. A businessman, B. A hard worker, C. A professional safecracker, or D. Future son-in-law of Mr. Adams. Correct option is D. Future son-in-law of Mr. Adams. Question 60. Mr. Adams is very proud of his new dash dash. Options are A. Safe and vault, B. Luxurious car, C. Branch of Elmore Bank, or D. Future son-in-law. Correct option is A. Safe and vault. Question 61. Jimmy tells Annabelle that there are dash dash in his suitcase. Options are A. Bulgur stool, B. Money, C. Nickel plated shoe horns, or D. Gold bricks. Correct option is C. Nickel plated shoe horns. Question 62. Why did Jimmy ask a rose from Annabelle while saving the child imprisoned in the safe? Options are A. He likes the flower, B. Thinks it as a token of love, C. He wants to give it to Agatha, or D. He wants to give it to Ben Price. Correct option is B. Thinks it as a token of love. Question 63. Jimmy rescued the little girl from the vault in dash dash minutes and broke his own record. Options are A. 8, B. 5, C. 10, or D. 7. The correct option is C. 10. Question 64. Jimmy breaks his own burglarious record while cracking safe of dash dash. Options are A. Springfield, B. Elmore Bank, C. Jefferson City, or D. Richmond. Correct option is B. Elmore Bank. Question 65. Why did Ben Price not arrest Jimmy Valentine at the end? Options are A. He has no shackles, B. Jimmy cracked safe to save child, C. He gets bribe, or D. He is afraid of Jimmy. Correct option is B. Jimmy cracked safe to save child. Question number 66. Which character determines the resolution of the plot, a retrieved reformation? Options are A. Agatha, B. Annabelle Adams, C. Ben Price, or D. Mike Dolan. Correct option is C. Ben Price. Question number 67. Dash dash can be the theme of the story, a retrieved reformation. Options are A. Don't judge a book by its cover, B. Power of love, C. Skills of the safecracker, or D. Agatha and her mom. Correct option is B. Power of love. Question 68. Agatha being locked in the safe and Jimmy trying to save her is called the dash dash part of the plot. Options are A. Falling action, B. Resolution, C. Climax, or D. Exposition. The correct option is C. Climax. Question 69. Jimmy Valentine's love affair and plans to marry Annabelle is called the dash dash part of the plot. Options are A. Resolution, B. Exposition, C. Rising action, or D. Climax. Correct option is C. Rising action. Question 70. What does the reformation in the title refer to? Options are A. Jimmy is proud of his tools, B. Jimmy starts a new business, C. Ben Price changed his mind, or D. Annabelle's love changed Jimmy a criminal. Correct option is D. Annabelle's love changed Jimmy a criminal. Question 71. What is the resolution part of the plot of the story A Retrieved Reformation? Options are A. Ben Price never arrests Jimmy. B. Jimmy marries Annabelle. C. Jimmy writes letter to his friend. Or D. Jimmy settles in business. Correct option is A. Ben Price never arrests Jimmy. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.